Hey guys! So I really wanted to do a Facebook Live to show you how incredible our suite is here at Lake Buena Vista. Okay, well first of all, this is my view. I did choose to upgrade. It was only $10 more a night so I could have a look of the pool. My son's really excited about that. So this is the pirate ship, and look, there's a little water slide that comes out of it. How cute is that? So there's a nice pool. There is a little bar and restaurant. They do breakfast there. The hot tubs. There's another pool in one of the other buildings here. I'll just hand it over. See, there's a few buildings here. A few are condos. There are property investment options, which my husband has actually gone downstairs to talk to them about. Oh my goodness, help me. But here's our deck, which is quite big. So we have the 2-bedroom suite, and look at how awesome it is. Like, it has everything, and it sleeps a lot of people. I will show you guys that in a sec. So we have a king room. This pops out to sleep. You could sleep 2, maybe 3 kids. We have our dining. Actually, that's what we'll do. We'll start here and do the big grand tour. So we have a table where we can all gather for dinner. We have a fully stocked kitchen. So if we want, we can, save some money and not eat out at restaurants. We've been here for almost 2 weeks in Florida, and we have been eating out at restaurants. So I'm kind of thinking of calling a garden grocer and getting a few more things delivered. So anyway, the living quarters and the kitchen. Oh, wait. Maybe it's just because I'm a mom, but look, how handy is that? I had laundry to do, and I'm sick of paying for it, so I didn't want to overpack, and now I have it in my suite, and it's such a mom thing to get excited about, but this is awesome. Also great for drying off the bathing suits. So the kitchen's huge. Kitchen's quite large. It has a dishwasher, which is nice. That's just like a utility closet. Full-size fridge, toaster, like I said, everything is stocked. Like, they even have a blender. It's not often you get a blender in a kitchenette. It's not even a kitchenette, sorry. It's a full kitchen. Oh, and they have an inventory checklist too, so you can see what you actually have here. But the blender's awesome. I know a lot of you guys take shakes with you, or, for after the gym. Awesome. So this is the kids' bedroom or bathroom, or the second bath. Lots of storage. Some extra towels. And, it's just a bathroom, so there's that. This is my son's bedroom. Oh, I think I hear some giggles. He's in here somewhere. So 2 beds, full dresser, and I wonder where Carter is. Oh, yeah, it's so sneaky, and a full-size closet. But I'm going to show you guys the best part, and that is my room. Okay, you guys ready? So we have a king-size suite. This is going to be so nice. King-size suite, and again, we have the view of the pool. Can't really see it the sun. It's really nice here today. It's 75 degrees, which I don't know what that translates to in Canada, but it's warm here, and we just got over 2 or 3 feet of snow apparently back home, so I don't want to leave. But, so we got our suite, and then look, I have a jacuzzi tub. Being pregnant, this is the greatest gift of all, especially towards the end of this trip. Oh my goodness, do I ever need it. Oh my gosh. So I'm really excited for that. And look at the storage in our closet. Really big. It's fully stocked. There's a vacuum there if I need it. Safe, extra pillows, blankets, which is normal. And then I bought a Rise Gear luggage thingy suitcase, which it's good, by the way. Just a quick recap. That one's a little too small, but I did grab the biggest one they have. Too small for a big trip, but anyway, huge. Just wanted to put the stroller in there so I could show you how big this closet is. And the Bob stroller's not tiny. So we have, you know, the water closet, 2 sinks. My son's being silly. Look how huge this shower is. Massive. So, you know, kids, if you have a bunch of kids going, shower them all off at once and you're good. But yeah, that's the room. I really just wanted to show it, share it. Super excited. Say hi, Carter.
Hello.
He's really excited. He's pretty excited to go to the
pool.
Yes, the pool. We're going down to the pool in a minute. And the best part about this is... Yes, okay, Carter. The best part about this is it's affordable. I'm sure it depends on what time of year we go. We are here in the low season, or I think it's the low season. I don't know. Where are we? Oh, frick, we're in February already. We're beginning of February. So we're low season. And I don't want to... I'm not quite sure exactly how much this is. I don't want to say it on this video in case I'm wrong, but it's affordable, especially if you have 2 families in here or grandparents to share. But I will update the rates when I do a blog post on this. This is, you know, they have been gracious enough to give me 2 nights here, and then I'm paying for a 3rd night. And I might just go downstairs and see if I can pay for a 4th night too, because this is just awesome and convenient. They also are very close to Disney. And they will do, if you give them 24 hours notice in advance, they do offer a free shuttle to Disney. So this is on Lake Buena Vista. The resort is called Lake Buena Vista Village and Resort. Sorry, I should probably get the name right, hey? Lake Buena Vista Resort Village and Spa. And here's just kind of like a map of the grounds. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to leave. I just wanted to do a room tour. The idea of it was quick, but you know me, I babble. And we will update you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.